Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. So, as you can see in front of me, we've got something interesting, right? So, let's go down into it and check it out. So, going down in here, and then, oh my word, look at that. We are underneath the map. This is insane. So, basically, last night we were talking during the stream, and we were saying, we were throwing around a theory. Now, my theory was, with the new hole tool, you can create tunnels underneath your map. Tunnel systems underneath your map. Underneath your map that connect to different ones, and across your entire map. You want to move a vehicle across the entire map without anybody seeing him, do it underneath the map. And yes, you can. I just quickly came in and was like, I want to test out this here theory. It works. It works damn well. So what opportunity is there for map makers? Well, you can create an entire facility underneath the map. In Blender, you just go in, you create the entire facility, you import it in, you pop up the environmental probes and the probes and so on and so forth, just to make sure that it works well. Put in the textures, and there we go. You've got an underground facility without having to sculpt at all. You can create tunnel systems underneath the map. Let me go back to edit mode. You can create tunnel systems underneath the map without anybody realizing. Have your team pop up one end of the map and then the other end of the map. You can create underground bunker capture points. I think we'll test that out, but I might get a little bit too excited. But that is potentially you could do that. Dudes, this is, guys and gals, not just dudes, but guys and gals, this is amazing. This is insane. Oh man. So having your guys go in here, building it up, making it look real nice, like a building or something. Having you guys go in here all the way, tunnel, and pop up in this point somewhere. And like underground facilities, making your troops travel with vehicles from one point to another point. Dude, oh my word, this is so cool. Oh, I'm excited. I'm very excited to see what you guys make with this and do with it. Oh man, this is so cool. So basically, how do you do this? You go to the hole tool, increase it with control. You increase the size. You can also change the angle of it, but it makes this weirdness like so. So it will be a little bit of a weird. It seems like it isn't in blocks. It's or in a circle. You can't like cut out a proper circle. You can only cut out rectangles. So keeping it at 0 is probably your best bet if you're gonna try and make an underground tunnel like this. And if it's pink, you add. So then you add things. And if it's holding down Alt, if it's green, you take away. There we go. That's pretty simple. And you can swap it around over here. Let's see, show terrain holes. Interesting. So you've got a few different stuff there. But damn, guys, that is basically, I want to keep it as short as possible, 5 minutes. There we go. You can create holes and create entire new worlds below your already created world. Insane stuff, guys. And have a think about backrooms, you know? Now, ASAP Gaming can go and create an entire backroom underneath the map. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like and subscribe for more. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe. And Let me know what you're going to try and create in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I'm very much looking forward to your creations, guys. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.